In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF in PDFgear. Now, there's actually two ways. I'm going to show you both of them. The first one is you go to the Protect tab up top, and you have the signature field, so we can just click on it over here, and you can then create your signature. Either you could take a picture, for example, if you have it saved in your computer, you could use a picture like that and also remove the background. So that way you could go ahead and sign like a piece of paper, take a picture, upload it in here, and then remove the background, and you have your signature. You could type it in, for example, if I do like instant how to like this, but of course that's not really a signature, so we could also go and write it, and you could just basically go and write in whatever you want, like whatever signature you want to do, click on OK, and you'll be able to then place it. You'll be able to resize it, flatten it, or place it on multiple pages if you want to. Now, of course, you can do this whenever you want, and you can just go to the signature here, select the one from the list here, and you can just click and place it, and you are good to go. So that's the first easiest way. The second one is basically like a digital ID signature. You want to click on Add Signature field, and then press OK and draw out the field. I'm going to draw it over here with your left mouse click, and there we go. It's going to say sign here. You want to right click, click on sign now, and then here, of course, you can select your digital ID. In case you have them, you can just select one that you have from your computer. If you don't, you can click on plus new digital ID and just basically either import one from a file, or you can just create one easily by following the process in here. Then you can just select the reason, location, and then press sign, and you'll be able to basically save your signed document. And when you open it up, you'll be able to see that it's saved. So let me actually show you right now. I'm going to name this one like this, save, and it's going to save, and it's going to actually open it up. There we go. If I now scroll down to the page where I had this, it was the last page. There we go. As you can see, I've signed this document, and it now has the signature. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.